Hi everyone. I am just like a student like you. Someone has asked me in the MLP video that I had uploaded some days before that to please make a video on the level 1 MLP level 1 Viva. So, first of all, I want to tell you that sorry for the delay because I have also my exams, Vivas, and my courses, so that's why due to this I got late, and I was not able to upload the video. I want to take the name of the person who had asked me for this video to make it to make the video on the MLP level 1 Viva. Yes, it's Astha Kaushik 9767 had asked me. Astha, this video is on your question and your query. So first of all, I want to say that when my MLP Viva was there, I got the second chance of my MLP level 1 Viva. So basically, you got the second chance, but you can read the new document also. There I got the second chance. For in first chance when I got appeared for the level 1 Viva, the examiner asked me that he said to me that show me, explain your code. So while I'm explaining the code, he asked me, you didn't use any graph? I said yes, I didn't use any graph. So he said that you will get the second chance to appear for the level 1 Viva. Just go and prepare 4 to 5 graphs because they are mandatory. Otherwise all over the work is good, but you need it. The level 1 Viva is like a tick quiz tick type thing, that ADA must be there, graphs must be there, that they all tick it actually. So you need to pass it, and the level 2 Viva actually gives the marks. Their marks got counted, but yeah, level 1 you have to use the level 1 Viva for the tick one, or as the clearance type like thing that I had noticed. Maybe some changes happen afterwards. So these are the things. So now I had made in a ppt. Actually I cannot show you my code what I had used for my project, because this will create some problem for me also. So just due to that, I am just created a ppt, what I had remembered what the questions examiner had asked me. So first thing he had asked me, just show me the milestones. So milestones means not the ones that you had submitted in your during the project. Milestones are the ones like EDA, feature engineering, pre-processing, hyper tuning, uh, model selection, and model comparison, and final submission. These are the parts of the milestones in that project. The second thing you should keep in your mind that I start explaining. So you should explain all the things in your code. You should know what you had written, why you are why had you written it. These are the things you must know. The second thing, use the headings for where you started explanatory data analysis right above it, where you starting hyper tuning right above it. Use hashtags, use insights below the graphs, that all help you to explain the code, as well as also makes the notebook look good, like you are writing in, just like write the notebook as you are writing in your practical book of the exam or in a school. Just like it, the more neat and clear your notebook will be, the more marks you will get awarded. Okay, so keep all this in your mind and explain every code inside cite the insights, use the hashtags, all these will be help you. So yeah, this is for the first question he had asked me. Now the second question, at my time he had asked me to explain. Till I am explaining, he didn't ask me any question, but at the moment I explained all the code, then he started asking me. I'm sharing my experience only. I'm not a clear. I'm not guaranteeing that this question only the examiner will ask. That will be the only procedure. I'm just saying that my examiner who had taken my exam asked in the way. Maybe your examiner may be asked in the some other way, or maybe he asked in this some other way, or as the data has been changed, my data was the common prediction challenge, your data is something else. So these are the things gets changed. So the way of asking the questions also gets changed. So but I am sharing my experience. May I hope that it may help you. Okay, but not guaranteeing that it may help you, but I hope that it may help you. Okay, so I will show you the questions. I will try to give you the answer that I had given, but you should know but you should use the your you can check for your answer. You can do your research according to the questions. Okay, so the next question he has asked me, how to handle the missing values in the data set. So I had answered at that time that I had handled my missing values by the label encoder. I checked and used the label encoder. I had answered them. Okay, I had checked and used the label encoder actually, because I didn't used to drop the missing values, means missing values and duplicate values. I didn't used to drop them, because if I drop them, it affect the data. So that's why I don't drop them. Okay, so that's next question he had asked me, that did you scale the numerical features, and my answer was no, because I didn't use any numerical scaling for the numerical features. Okay. Now the next question is, pipeline in pre-processing have been used to. I said I had used the pipeline in hypertuning, not in pre-processing. Now then he asked me that all the the lines that he was asked to me, that all the ML models have some weights and biases. All the weights and biases are automatically learned by the models. If the model getting some data, then we are automatically changing weights and biases, and the model is getting a lot better and better in predictions. So this is what entire of machine learning, he said these lines to me. Then he asked, how does the models learns weights and biases. So at that time I was not very clear about this. So I said that weights are that in my data there was level 0, level 1, level 2, these are the predictions level. So I said that if level 0 got the higher prediction, like 90% and above, then it will get affected, it will affect that other classes, means other way, other rate 0 1, level 2, level 1, like this. So it will affect them. So that's what weights means here. I didn't answer biases here. So this was my answer. You can search according to your. Next he asked me, what is gradient descent. At my time I didn't remembered it, so I said, sir, I am still learning. I don't know, at the present moment I didn't remembered. I try to learn more new things, but I cannot remember everything at the present moment. I try to remember, but it's not possible to remember, as I'm still learning. I'm trying to do better and better. So that was my answer, and I was really truthful, I was really honest about my answers, because what I don't know, I clearly say I don't know. What I know, I clearly say that I should try. I said that I didn't I'm very confident about it, but I should try. So if he found that it correct, then he pursue. Then he asked me, apart from light GBM, which models are you using? So I said logistic regression, random forest, and yeah, gradient boosting, and then light GPM. Okay, so he all the four models I had told him. So then he asked me, logistic regression is binary class classifier. So I said, no, no sir, it's multinomial also. So then he asked, how it becomes multi-class classifier from binary class classifier. So actually, the when you what he was asking, you change it to some other, you answer some other, they will ask from the question from your answer. And yeah, you have to answer this. Then what I said I said multinomial regressor, sir. So he asked, so what is this multinomial regressor, he asked to me. Okay, so yeah, so I said, sir, now in the binary only 0 and 1 values could be included, but now it could be 0 1 2 3 instead of 0 1 2. So he asked me how it automatically checks whether the data point belongs to 0 1 2 3. Do you know the working principle behind this? How does it able to check this? Okay, so he asked me. So at till some there I was able to answer, I had answered. Then I said that, sir, that was from my side what I know. Okay, I will learn more and more, but that's what I don't know at the present moment, I said this. Okay, So now the next question he had asked me, what why are we doing this train test split? At that I always want to, my hobby was to visualize the answer. So I always want to visualize my answer. I always give with the instead of giving the instead of giving the definition, I try to visualize with the example. So what I had done, I said the train test split is very important because we split the data into 70% 80% of the train data and 20% of the test data. So in 80% of the train data, what we give 80% of the data more to the model to learn it, and then hide the 20% of the data for the testing, that model learns it correctly or not. Like in the give an example, like in the school, the teacher teaches everything, but 20% of the portion of the syllabus they asked us in the exam, and check how great, how good we had learned. Okay, so he said the next question he has asked me from my answer, why do we need to evaluate on unseen data, not on seen data? So I said that for the perfection it was important, because like if we in the exam, teacher checks how did we understand the syllabus, how did we understand our course. Same in the way the model works also. So I said that if we learn if for the example, if we go to the past year exam papers and have used it and solved it a lot of times and getting 100 out of 100 in previous year papers, but in the next moment I got a new question on the same basis, we are not able to answer it. So in the same way, means we are not learned the concepts, actually we had learned the data. Means we had learned the questions, we had learned we didn't understand the concepts, we learned the questions. So these type of concepts are very important. As a human, the ML also understand the models, sorry, not ML, models also understands in the same way. That was my answer. So what now he asked me, what is stratifies? So yeah. So yeah, I was telling you that what is stratifies. Yeah, so stratifies means stratified k folds actually. It divided the dataset into five folds, I had answered. And instead of doing what it does, it firstly take four parts of it as the training and one part of its data. Then again that one part will come in the training part, and out of the fourth part, the one part will become test part. So like this, it checks all the data by turning into training and test. I had answered like this in my Viva. Okay. Now the next question he had asked me, that model comparison, which metric you use to compare the models. So I said I had used f1 macro score for my model comparison. Then he asked me that what is f1 macro score and how it is calculated. So I said, sir, it is calculated like f1 macro score include all classes with the proper ratio, not giving any class a higher ratio or lower ratio, means neglecting anyone like accuracy, or providing anyone means the one who had higher accuracy will overlead the data. I said this is not in the f1 macro score. It treat all the levels, all the classes in the same way. Like in my common prediction challenge, there was level 0, level 1, level 2. So I said that level 1 has a higher percentage. I remembered, not very clear. So level 1 will not dominate the other level 0 and level 2. So it calculate all in the equal ratios. I had answered this in my Viva. Okay, so this is from my side that was asked in my Viva and how I answered. I will suggest you, just be honest in your Viva. Don't be try to over smart, don't be try to rude, don't get angry with them. Okay, just be what you don't know, simply say I don't know. What do you know, say yes I know. They will ask you the questions. If you don't know, then how you use the models? You will say, sir, as in my ML theory I had solved the Kaggle assignments. So in that it was a rule that it was a rubric that I have to use 7 models. So from there I had learned that model and I tested on it and it worked. You can say this answer. Okay, and you can also say that I'm still learning. The person who has just joined after 12th, he or she can simply say that I'm just after 12th I joined it, it's my sole degree. So yeah, yeah, I'm still learning and I'm still trying to get better and better day by day. So yeah, I can make mistakes, I don't know everything, but learn, try to learn new things. Okay, so this is the part that I had said. I had accepted my mistakes also, and I had learned from it also, you can say all these things. And yeah, so that is the part of my from my side. And yeah, one more thing, all the best to the person who have a level 1 viva of the MLP. May you crack it, may you do your best. And the third and fourth thing I want to say, that I was thinking to have a mentorship for the BDM project. Okay, in the BDM project, I was thinking to have a mentorship. Just in the it was my idea. I was not very expert in it, so it's my idea, because in BDM, what has happened? The reports got rejected again and again, like primary report, the midterm report, and final report. People forget how to balance between the data, what to write in midterm and what to write in, means how to manage the data, answering in midterm and final. So I can guide this. I will not let you write the code line by line. I will not do this in the mentorship, but I will suggest you that what are the rubrics, how are they important, how, why your reports getting rejected by taking the TA response, what they are giving, how to manage the data, how to start the project, all these things I will try. What I had faced, I will try to improve. Yeah, why I'm saying for the Gmeet, or for the mentorship on the Gmeet, because if because on the video, YouTube video, you ask me the query, I will upload every video which will be, because it's my view, it's my platform to share my experience actually. So yeah, I will, why I'm asking, because if the because in the YouTube, I make the video, you ask me, okay, you ask me again, and then said to me that I try to answer in the comment, and it's not a, actually it's not a good interaction going on here. You ask the questions, I make the video, but in the medium type report, like, not, it's possible in MLP and the, but in medium type report, actually, to saw what you will give me the report, I will read it in a day or two, and I will respond it. So all these things will uh, make you can ask me the questions there in a, means in a conversational way, it will happen like a class. So if you all wish, then if you wish, then if anyone wishes, then not at the present moment, I will start after 1 or 2 months actually. So I will charge, there will be a fees for it, what I had thought, for the 4 months. You will suggest the fees, what should I take? I will not very actually, I don't know anything about this type of things, I had never done it before. So it was my first experience, it was only my thinking at the present time. If you appreciate, then I will do. If you don't means if you don't support, I will not do actually, because I'm not really sure that I will able to do the exact things, because I had done only my project. Is I am able to do support others or not, will my experience support others or not? So that will be my that is my, what that is going on my heart, I was said, I'm just saying to you. Okay, if you like, you can write in the comment, and I will think of it. And if you not, then I will not then I will not do this. And in every and each and every condition, I will there, I will answer your query here, like I'm doing it here. Hope it will I hope you understand what I want to convey. And if you have any query, okay, if you have any query regarding this project, MLP and application development one I want to make, but I, due to lack of time actually, to do the perfect video, I was not able to do it. So if you want it yeah, if you want more questions, you can ask it at again and again. Have one more thing in my time, if anyone have a question, that was a FTQ term my. So I was really depressed, and I want to actually use 7 models in my notebook, but I didn't use it, because due to the lack of time, I have to cross the cutoff at any condition. So I, and Kaggle notebook is taking a lot of time in the 7 models, so I used 4 models only for my working. And because I was not aware that if I don't get passed in my 2 projects, if I don't able to complete, then I thought my 2 years 2 years working hard will be get caught, or water will be thrown on it. So this type of conditions I was facing, I hope the person can understand them or not understand them, it's up to the person who has faced them. So this is all that what I want to tell you. And yeah, this is what I want to tell you. And all the best for the for your Viva exam. Okay, and be confident, but don't be over rude or anything. Be confident. And one more thing I want to say, that it's in your part that you have to perform the actions. The fruits are not in your hand. So just do your hard work and believe on God or anything whom you want to, or on your heart. I will suggest that you believe on your hard work. Okay, thank you.